Hello, I'm going to demonstrate one experiment today. You need baking soda and a little bit vinegar. Any type of vinegar is okay, all right? And then one plate. First of all, you have, this is a say, all right? First of all, you put some amount, not much, but not little baking soda here. This much. And then you put a little bit, pour a little bit vinegar. It smells vinegar a lot here. And then making a bubble, right? Totally different. So what I did is one substance plus another substance equal. Totally different substance here. Right. And you do it at home with your parents, just in case. It's an easy experiment, but do it with your parents, and then explore it, and then take a picture or video of the result of the experiment, and think about what kind of change they made, physically, or chemical reaction, or reversible, or irreversible. Thank you. Upload and manage back, please.